Problem 23. How many four-digit numbers have all three of the following properties? 1. The tens and ones digits are both 9, so we have something something 9, 9. 2. The number is 1 less than a perfect square. This is n squared minus 1. 3. The number is the product of exactly two prime numbers. Let's assume this is A, this is B. A, B, 9, 9 plus 1 is going to be something something 0, 0. And this is n squared. So n must be a multiple of 10. Let's say m times 10. Then we have A, B, 9, 9 equals 10m squared minus 1, which is 10m minus 1 times 10m plus 1. What is m? We need m squared to be bigger than or equal to 10 and less than or equal to 100. Then m can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. Now, given m, let's see what is the number AB99. And if this number is the product of exactly two prime numbers. If m equals 4, 10m minus 1 is 39. 10m plus 1 is 41. But 39 is a composite number, so this doesn't work. M equals 5, we have 49 times 51. 49 is a composite number, doesn't work. M equals 6, we have 59 and 61. Both are prime numbers, so this works. M equals 7, 69, 71. 69 is a composite number, so this doesn't work. 8, 79, 81. 81 is a composite number, so it doesn't work. 9, 89, 91. 91 is 7 times 13, so this doesn't work either. 10, 99, 101. 99 is a composite number, so it doesn't work. The answer is B.